Welcome to the world of irresistible Italian desserts. Get ready to indulge in the most delightful treats Italy has to offer. Let's dive in. All right, first up, we've got panna cotta. This dessert is so simple, it's almost criminal. You're going to need 2 cups of heavy cream, a quarter cup of sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 packets of gelatin. First, sprinkle that gelatin over half a cup of cold water. While that's happening, combine your cream, sugar, and vanilla in a saucepan. Heat this over medium heat, stirring constantly. Once the sugar's dissolved and the cream's steamy, take it off the heat and stir in the bloomed gelatin. Pour the mixture into ramekins or glasses and let them chill in the fridge for at least 4 hours. For toppings, fresh berries, chocolate sauce, or chopped nuts work great. And there you have it, the most irresistible panna cotta this side of Italy. Get ready to unleash your inner Italian pastry chef because we're making cannolis. For this masterpiece, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of shortening, half a cup of dry Marsala wine, and 1 egg yolk. Combine flour, sugar, and salt in a large bowl. Cut in the shortening until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Whisk together Marsala wine and egg yolk, then gradually add it to the flour mixture, mixing until a dough forms. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes. Wrap it in plastic wrap and let it rest in the fridge for at least an hour. For the filling, beat together 2 cups of ricotta cheese, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract until smooth. Roll out the dough super thin and cut out circles. Wrap these circles around metal cannoli tubes and fry until golden brown and crispy. Once cool, fill the shells with the ricotta mixture and dust with powdered sugar. And there you have it, cannoli dreams do come true. Chapter 3, Gelato. Goodness, get those spoons ready because we're diving into the world of gelato. Start with 2 cups of whole milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a saucepan, whisk together milk, cream, sugar, salt, and vanilla. Heat over medium heat, stirring frequently until the sugar dissolves and the mixture is just simmering. Let it cool slightly. Churn this mixture in an ice cream maker according to the manufacturer's instructions. Enjoy it right away for a soft serve texture, or freeze it for a few hours to let it firm up. And there you have it, the most delicious gelato this side of Rome. Chapter 4, Sfogliatella. Surprise! Get ready for a real Italian pastry adventure because we're tackling sfogliatella. This one's a bit more challenging, but trust me, the end result is totally worth it. Start with 2 cups of semolina flour, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of warm water, and 1 cup of lard. Combine semolina flour, all-purpose flour, and salt in a large bowl. Gradually add warm water, mixing until a dough forms. Knead the dough for 10 minutes until smooth and elastic. Wrap it up and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. Roll out the dough into a large rectangle, almost translucent. Spread softened lard all over the dough, leaving a small border. Roll up the dough like a jelly roll, cut into 1-inch slices, flatten each slice into a disc, fill with ricotta filling, and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. And there you have it, a taste of Naples right in your kitchen. Chapter 5, Zabaione, dessert for grown-ups. We're making zabaione, a classic Italian custard that's rich, decadent, and oh so delicious. You'll need 6 egg yolks, half a cup of sugar, and half a cup of sweet Marsala wine. Separate the egg yolks and place them in a heat-proof bowl. Add sugar to the yolks and whisk until pale yellow and slightly thickened. Create a double boiler by filling a saucepan with a couple of inches of water and bringing it to a simmer. Place the bowl of yolks over the simmering water, making sure the bottom of the bowl isn't touching the water. Gradually whisk in Marsala wine and continue whisking for about 8 to 10 minutes until thick and creamy. Serve warm or chilled with fresh berries, a sprinkle of cocoa powder, or whipped cream. And there you have it, the perfect ending to your Italian dessert adventure. Well, there you have it, folks. 5 irresistible Italian desserts that are sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. I hope you enjoyed this delicious journey as much as I did. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing food adventures. And be sure to let me know in the comments down below which dessert you're most excited to try. Until next time, happy baking!